In this video, I'm going to share my thoughts on which are the top 5 Roja Aoud perfumes. I have tested all of them except Oud Extraordinaire. I will get it sample. If you have sniffed it, do share in the comment section below. Now, my top favorite would be Taif Oud. They have done really well. The combination of rose, oud and muskiness and animalic and funkiness is the best. Okay, so if I had the money, I would definitely purchase Taif Oud. So this is going to be number 1. Now next I am going to rate the best would be UAE, Roja UAE. It is, I think, the second best from them. Very refreshing, kind of animalic, musky notes, very calming, kind of refreshing muskiness, animalic. Very well done perfume, Roja UAE or United Arab Emirates. Third one I am going to rate, which I love the most, is Garment for Women. Its name is Sweetie Oud. It was a garment perfume, Roja Sweetie Oud. So I have this sample kit, this sample of Roja Perfumes Oud collection, and Taif Oud is a separate story. You have to separately purchase it, and also Oud Extraordinaire. I think I forgot to purchase the Oud Extraordinaire because I wanted to see all the Oud versions of Roja's perfumes, because I really love actual real natural oud oils, or high grade niche kind of oud oil or perfumes. So okay, so these are my top 3. If I put the fourth one, I would put the fourth one would be Sultanate of Oman. So why I have put this is it doesn't have any kind of oud or much kind of oud like that. It has Luban or frankincense or Omani incense, which Omani people burn, and it has a similar kind of vibe to it. Why I wouldn't recommend to buy this one, because there are many cheap options like Eternal Oud from Latafa, which is very similar to this one. It might be more refined, but Latafa Oud, Eternal Oud is much similar to Sultanate of Oman from Roja. This is going to be 4. And the fifth, if I would put the fifth, it would be Amber Oud. Amber Oud is a good one for women. I wouldn't say that I would definitely purchase it or it really amazes me. That is not the story, just I'm ranking them the top 5. So if I would say the top 3, Roja Taif Oud is a must buy from my perspective. Do check out its sample first. Roja UAE is the second winner. Third one is Roja Sweetie Oud for women. Very well done garment perfume. Fourth would be Sultanate of Oman. You can check this out. And fifth would be Amber Oud. So these are my top 5 from Roja's Oud collection, and this is how I rate them. If you like this video, make sure you share and subscribe, and do share your comments which Roja Oud perfume you have. Okay, so a little bit about this darker one, the Roja Oud, the actual Roja Oud, which it says it has oud, but what I have sniffed is it seems to be closer to a Lancome Arabian perfume. I have sniffed Lancome, I think it was Arabian incense or oud or whatever it was, something I have already sniffed. So it is not very creative, or I would say that it is not really an amazing scent for me. On the paper it was really great, but on skin it was not that great. So this is my opinion about all the Roja perfumes. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you own Roja UAE or Roja Taif Oud, do share your comments and your thoughts about it, how it is going, how powerful it is, how what is the performance, do you get compliments on it or not, and I will reply to those comments. I love communicating with my subscribers and viewers, because this is a community, this is not a YouTube channel. Okay, So till then, we'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.